Hey guys, very good evening. This is Sandy from Sandhai Pechu. Hope you guys doing good. And I'm going to talk about the technical analysis for tomorrow's stuff. Tomorrow's the last day of this week for stock market. So let's get back to this channel. And this is Sandhai. This is my YouTube channel. It's Sandhai Pechu. And 2 days back, 1 day back, I was posting about yesterday's technical analysis. So this is my YouTube channel. In case if you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe it. And for more videos, and coming weekend I'm conducting a online training for stock market class. In case if you guys interested, please ping me or mail me or telegram me or stuff, call me. Okay, let's back to the thing. Today Nifty, so I took a day candle. See, the market, I always trying that the market doesn't broken the trend line in the downside. See this is still today the market has given a huge high, almost 100 points. See, the market has not touched, hasn't broken about 10,600, because last video I was talking about, this video I was talking about 10,600 as a huge target, and as per my analysis the 10,600 hasn't broken. So in case the market, because based on tomorrow the market might expect down, or in case if it breaks, we can expect another 100 points in the upside. So why I'm telling that, either we can expect 10,700 or 10,400 or 300. I'm expecting because of open interest, high open interest. See this concept, because I took as a 9th July expiry. See, 10,700 600 as a huge open interest, as a high open interest. That means the writers are waiting to write their things. That's what option selling writers are huge in the open interest or 10,600, and we can expect another 100 points. If it breaks, we can expect another 100 points, or if it doesn't break, we can expect at least 10,300 or 400, which has a huge high open interest on 10,300 400. So every 100 points we have a huge open interest. See, 10,300, 10,200, 10,400 and 500 has a huge open interest, except 10,100. So thing is like the writers are waiting on the sell side as well as on the sell side as well as buy side. So if it breaks, we can expect another 100 points. If 10,600 breaks, we can expect another 100 points, or if it doesn't break, we can expect 10,400, 300. In my view, let's see for coming days. So based on open interest and based on chart, we are expecting. And next is like next we get into this side. Amara Raja batteries, brilliant. See, forming a brilliant trend line. Okay, this is like 2 days, like this is kind of say support, because 1 month back, 1.5 months back, I was posting the video, and it has broken the resistance, and the resistance becomes support. Everyone knows that. It's vice versa. Okay, Amara batteries today again automobiles, because we're focusing all the stocks based on automobile sector, because it given a very good a positive side today. See, the market has traveling in the trend line side. Okay, see, there's a huge support, huge resistance. See, almost 1, 2, 3 times, close to 3 times the market has touched the resistance, and see here again 4 times. Okay, almost like 4 times as of now. Okay, again here. Okay, let's forget about this in the past. That's what history repeats itself. Wherever it goes, it should touch the respect or resistance. It should touch the resistance or support. It respects it. That's what history repeats itself. Okay, see, it touches the resistance. Touches the exact resistance 698. So we can expect either we need to wait, either we can see whether upside or down. So we need to wait tomorrow or upcoming days. And let's get into the weekly time frame. The higher time frame gives more accuracy. Okay, why this triangle is a symmetric triangle pattern, ascending triangle. But once it broke, given a buy trend, almost like 6 weeks it was in buy trend. See the last 4 weeks, see last 5 weeks. This is a weekly time frame. See last 5 weeks, the market is completely into from 630 to 685. The market has reached 700. The market kind of in sideways, right? It's broken the trend line. The market has broken the trend line and given a small kind of indication for sales. I'm not sure, but let's say it might be false breakout. We need to wait for tomorrow. Okay, this is a huge resistance. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. 7 times the resistance. Once it breaks, it's a strong resistance. Once it breaks, we can expect a 790 to 813. Let's say we need to wait it in upcoming days, the upcoming weeks probably. For a week, it travels around 50 points, right? Travels around the 50 to 70 points. It's traveling. So higher time frame gives higher accuracy, that's what I mean. Okay, Hero Honda, Hero Motorcorp. See, the market is traveling in clear channel, clear channel. See, almost like 3.5 months market is traveling in a clear channel. See, almost 1 2 3 4 times, almost this is 5 times, and 6 times the market touched the upside rough resistance. And see, either we can expect a breaking side, either we can expect a gap, a small kind of like down, or might travel here upcoming days, or might travel here. So we can expect at least a 2500 we can expect in upcoming days. I'm not sure, but we have to wait it for it, because still the automobile production is not to the mark. So even Bajaj Auto has given a 41% sales down, and the Tata Motors also given a huge loss. 2 weeks back, the result was 3 days back, result was announced. It was our own loss of 8,000 crores. So we need to wait for upcoming days, like how is it going to happen in this thing. Okay, Mahindra M&M, again day candle took, the market has trend line and clear support. This we can kind of say, like, see last almost there's a kind of box pattern, a range bound market. We can expect at least a big this might be a consolidation market. If it breaks, either we can expect a huge fall or a huge upside. Yeah, we can expecting, because again the resistance still another 15 points to reach the resistance. Let's see, we need to wait for the confirmation, probably by tomorrow, upcoming days. Yeah, when you get into higher time frame, the market has formed a symmetrical, ascending triangle. So exactly in the resistance, the triangle pattern ascending. This is a huge resistance as per the rule. So once it breaks, we can expect a good thing, and we can expect another like 60 to 70 or 80 points we can expect in upcoming days. Yeah, so this is what, and I took all the 1 2 3 and 4 scripts I took today. So if you guys any doubts, please comment me, and if you guys any need of kind of training, if you want to earn daily 1,500 rupees as a profit, you can ping at any time. I'm ready to help you out. So stay tuned, stay safe, and take care, and have a great day. Bye bye, take care.